Hello guys, review OPPO RENO 14F, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have device in the white color. Okay, and only key for SIM slot and Type-C cable. That's all. On the back side we have triple camera and LED, on this side power button and low buttons, on this side without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. 6.5-inch display. Open settings. About device we have Reno 14F, battery 6000 mAh battery, RAM memory 8GB, and Android 15 we have, Color OS 15. Close this, open tests. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 6th Gen 1, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 1.8 and 2.2 GHz, and Adreno 710 this GPU. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, open Antutu benchmark, we have Antutu score, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. Game load, and load on the graphics, high graphic level. Okay, works good. Very smooth. Okay, close this game, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.